I'll show you how to connect Bluetooth devices to your Tecno Camon 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. Now for this particular video, I'm going to be using the earbuds, and the first thing you need to do is open settings and go to Bluetooth. Ensure Bluetooth is turned on, and then now you want to place your Bluetooth device in pairing mode. So for this particular AirPods, all I have to do is open the case and take out the earbuds like that. Then come back to my phone and scan for Bluetooth devices. And there you go, they have been detected, so I'll just tap on my Bluetooth devices like that, then tap on pair, and now I have successfully connected my Bluetooth device, which are my earbuds, to my Tecno Camon 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. Thanks for watching, take care, and God bless.